Fear is a signal, not destiny. In bullying, fear shapes three roles: the person bullying, the target, and the witness. Fear narrows choices. It changes your voice, posture, and attention. You get choices back with three levers: breath and stance, short lines, and exit routes. Breathe and stance. 2 slow nasal breaths. Shoulders relaxed, chin level. Soft gaze to the bridge of the nose. Short lines. Stop. Not okay. Not today. I'm moving over there. Exit routes. Move location. Join a group. Find an adult. The person bullying often chases status. The target can look like an easy win, and the witness worries about social cost. We focus on skills, not labels for life. Roles describe a moment, not a person. Practice beats pep talks. Small drills change behaviour. Today, try a 10-second reset. 2 slow breaths. Set your stance. Choose one short line, even if you don't use it. What works? Action works.